Okay students, welcome to my next video. We will be doing continuation of solution of a PDE by the method of direct integration. The problem states here to solve dou square z by dou x square equal to xy subject to the given conditions. You will have two conditions usually. One say first one here is dou z by dou x is log of 1 plus x 1 plus y when x is 1 and z is 0 and x is 0. That is the second condition. Okay, so let's see how do we solve it. Consider this equation. So we can rearrange this equation as dou by dou x of dou z by dou x is equals to xy. Now integrating with respect to x on both sides. Dou by dou x and integral dx will get cut. So you will be left out with dou z by dou x is equal to, with respect to x treating y as constant, y as it is integral x dx plus constant of integration will be in terms of the other variable, that is y. So let us assume f of y. This is the constant of integration and you guys have to give it without fail. This has to be given and later we can find the specific solution by applying the conditions for f of y and whatever the next constant. Okay. Anyways, so this is what it is, and then integrating here we get y into integral of x is x square by 2 plus f of y. Now to get rid of dou by dou x, once again what we do? Integrating with respect to x only. With respect to x only once again. So we get dou by dou x and integral dx gets cut. So you will be left out with the variable z. So this implies z is equal to, here with respect to x treating y as constant. So y by 2 is removed outside, integral x square dx plus f of y is a constant. So integral dx plus constant of integration but in terms of y which is g of y. Okay. Now simplify this ahead. So we get y by 2 into integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus f of y as it is, integral dx is x plus g of y. Now let us assume this is first condition and first equation and this is the second equation. Now applying each and every condition here. So first condition for the first equation. So from equation 1 we get, so substituting, what is that we are going to get substitute? Dou z by dou x is equal to log of 1 plus y when x equals to 1. So substitute x is 1 and dou z by dou x here we get, so log of 1 plus y therefore is equal to, put x is 1, we get y by 2 into 1 square plus f of y. This is as it is. Understood guys? Okay. Now simplify this and find how much is f of y. So this implies we get f of y therefore is equal to log of 1 plus y. This comes here minus y by 2. Okay. You can keep it as it is. Next we have to apply the second condition to find the other constant. Let us see. So in this equation 2 we will apply the second condition. In equation 2 put z is 0 and x is 0. Substituting z is 0 and x is 0 here. So yeah, we get, and of course we can apply f of y also. So we get z is equal to y x cube divided by 6 plus x into f of y is replaced by this entire thing. So we get log of 1 plus y minus y by 2 minus y by 2. Okay. So this entire thing will come there. Now put z is 0 and x is 0. What do we get? 0 is equal to y by 6 times of 0 cube is 0 plus 0 into entire thing, that is log of 1 plus y minus y by 2 minus y by 2 here is as. So you can see here this is 0 and this entire term is 0. We get 0 equal to 0 plus 0 minus y by 2. Okay. Sorry, I think I missed something. So x into this is not y by 2, instead it is g of y. So this is also g of y. So this implies our g of y is equal to 0. Okay. So substituting the values of f of y and g of y in this final equation, therefore the final solution of the PDE is given by z is equal to yx cube by 6, which is x cube y by 6 plus x into f of y is non-zero. So we have log of 1 plus y minus y by 2, and g of y is 0, so you can neglect it. So this is the solution for the given PDE. Understood? Similarly, let us solve more one problem in the same method for a different conditions and different equations. Alright guys? Okay. Okay? Yeah. Subject to the conditions. Let us see what is the question here. Solve dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to x by y. Subject to the conditions, dou x by dou z is equal to log x to the base e when y equal to 1 is the first condition, and we have another condition z is 0 and x is 1, and z is 0 when x is 1. These are the two conditions. Same method we can apply here. So consider the given equation, dou by dou x of dou z by dou y is equal to x by y. Here also we have to integrate twice because it's a second order differentiation, but not with respect to the same variable. Instead, you should apply to both the variables, once with respect to x and second time with respect to y. So first we have supposed to integrate with respect to x on both sides. So dou by dou x and integrate dx gets cut. So you get dou z by dou y therefore is equal to, with respect to x, treating y as constant, so 1 by y integral x dx plus constant of integration in terms of the other variable. What is the other variable here? Y. Therefore f of y. Now what is the integral here? 1 by y, as it is integral x is x square by 2 plus f of y. Now once again integrating with respect to the variable here is y. Therefore to get rid of dou by dou y, you have to integrate with respect to y on both sides. So this implies dou by dou y gets cut because integral dy. What will be remaining here? The variable z is equal to, with respect to y, treating x as constant. So x square by 2 integral 1 by y dy plus, this is a function of y, therefore integral f of y dy plus, we have to assume the constant of integration but in terms of the second variable here, which is x. Therefore g of x. Okay, this is the solution. But we have got to still integrate it. Z is equal to x square by 2 into integral of 1 by y is going to be log y plus this can be treated as capital F of y dy. Sorry, dy is not necessary. Capital F of y itself represents the integral of f of y plus dt of x. So this is the second equation. This is the first equation and this is the second equation, which is the solution for the given PDE, but not with the conditions. Now let us apply the conditions and find these two so that you are going to get the complete solution. Okay. Now first condition from equation 1. Substituting in equation 1, substituting the first condition, dou z by dou x is log x to the base e and y equal to 1. These two terms you have to substitute here. So you get dou z by dou okay. Alright. So you got to replace it. We are not supposed to integrate here with respect to x. Why? Because they have given the condition not with respect to x, instead with respect to y. So this gets changed. So this is y. So that means what else will change here? Look here. So with respect to y, treating x as constant. X comes outside, integral 1 by y dy. And the constant of integration will be in terms of x. Okay, so this is in terms of x. Now how much is 1 by y integral? Integral 1 by y is log y. So x log y. This will be the first condition. Now to get rid of, so this one will be, we are integrating with respect to y. Therefore, you can rearrange this as dou y of dou z by dou x. Now this y is gone. What is remaining here? Dou z by dou x. Now this condition can be applied here. Okay. Similarly, now the second term we are going to integrate with respect to x to get rid of this. You get z is equal to, here we are supposed to treat y as constant. So treating y as constant, we will get here log y is a constant as it is. And the variable here is going to be x with respect to x. Next we have f of x, but we are integrating anyways with respect to x. So integral f of x dx plus the constant of integration will be g of x. Okay. So simplify further. So we get integral of x is x square by 2 into log y plus this can be treated as capital F of x plus g of y as it is. That is the second condition. Now substituting these two values in this first equation, we get LHS is going to become log x to the base e is equal to, now instead of y we should substitute 1. So this is going to be x into log 1 plus f of x. And we know that log 1 is always equals to 0. Therefore, this entire term will be 0. So this implies our f of x is equal to log x to the base e. Got it, guys? F of x will be equal to log x to the base e. Now, further, let us apply the second condition. So, in equation 2, applying second condition, z is 0 and comma x is 1. Both the conditions you put in the second equation. Along with that, you can find the integral also. So first we'll rewrite this. Z is equal to x square by 2 log y plus, instead of capital F of x, we can write integral log x to the base e dx plus g of y. Okay, so that is the condition. But now here, before we go ahead, what you should find? Capital F of x, that is integral log x. So let us find integral log x here in the previous step only, and we can keep there ready. Okay, so this one will become integral log x. You can't do it directly, guys. So you have to consider the second function as 1. So integrating log x and 1, that is here second function is 1. Apply the product rule, that is integration by parts rule. So first function log x as it is into integral of 1 dx minus integral of derivative of log x is 1 by x into integral of 1 dx is going to be x dx. So simplifying this is going to be x log x minus here x gets cut, integral 1 dx is x. So this is our capital F of x. So let us go substitute here. So this is going to be 1 by 2 x square log y plus, instead of that we will write here x log x minus x plus g of y. Now put the values here, z is 0 and x is 1. So z is 0, x is 1, so log y plus x is 1 log 1 minus 1 plus g of y. And I told you already log 1 is 0, just now here we have used. So this is 0, so 1 into 0 is 0, the entire term is 0. This is going to be 1 by 2 log y goes that side, it will become minus 1 by 2 log y. Minus 1 goes here, it will become plus 1 is equal to our g of y. So what is g of y? Therefore g of y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 log y. Okay, this can be further split actually. 1 as it is minus as it is 1 by 2 can be written as log y to the raised to 1 by 2, which can be log root y. Okay. 1 minus log root y. Okay, so substitute, this is what we got the second condition also. Already we know the first one, second constant, so for integration constant, and first one also we know. Going ahead and substituting these in this equation, therefore the final solution is given by z is equal to 1 by 2 x square log y plus, instead of capital X, capital F of x, we have x log x minus x plus, instead of g of y we can write 1 minus log of root y. Got it? You don't have to simplify anything, you can just leave here as it is. Understood guys? So this is the way how we apply the method of direct integration when a partial differential equation is given with the given conditions. We can also find the constants of integration and hence obtain the final solution of the given PDE. Understood?